We were filled with unbridled glee today when we heard that the often reclusive Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia was giving a public speech, particularly given that there are a cluster of controversial issues now facing the court, like Obamacare, same-sex marriage, and voting rights. So you can imagine our surprise when we learned that Scalia wouldn't be talking about any of those things, but rather about the Magna Carta. We chopped up his speech to the Federalist Society, and we now present it to you a la Carta. And we begin with Scalia talking about why King John felt the need to sign this influential document.
As a result of all this, King John had, to put the matter in today's parlance, a profoundly low approval rating.
You got to hand it to my tennis partner, Nino. He is literally the only person in America who could make a decent joke about the Magna Carta.
The 13th century brought multiple reissues of Magna Carta and its companion charter, which was called Charter of the Forest.
Ah, the Charter of the Forest.
Edward's confirmation not only memorialized Magna Carta, but provided that, quote, if any judgment be given contrary to the charter, it shall be undone and holden for naught. It's great stuff. I wish I could write a holden for naught.
Man, that is easily the second best King Edward impression I have ever heard.
And we have yet to enter the 14th century.
Go on.
Cook drafted the first Virginia charter for King James I. It was the good old days when judges not only adjudicated but wrote laws. I mean, officially wrote laws.
That is really peak Scalia. He's like the Seinfeld of the Supremes.
That leveling money for or to the use of the crown by pretense of prerogative without grant of Parliament is illegal. That is core Magna Carta.
No, Mark. No, that was peak Scalia. He's able to get so excited about a document that is literally 800 years old.
It is here that we meet our second notable jurist.
As good as that is, I think we've seen enough.